Less than 24 hours ago, I landed here in Costa Rica. Today after work, I got home with my girlfriend and she asked me, "What are you gonna do?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna meet up with some friends." She's like, "What? Friends? Like, how did you make friends?" It's like, "Yeah, I made them through school." And now I met up with them and we're gonna have some awesome plans. We're going to the beach together this weekend. And I basically want to share with you how I'm making friends anywhere I go around the world and how you can do it as well. So, like I said, I'm really using Skool. Skool is like an online community platform where you can learn anything you want. If you want to learn about football, you learn about football. If you want to learn about playing guitar, you can learn about that. If you want to like make money online, you can also learn that, right? So it's a really cool platform. And what's so cool about it, or one of the things that's really cool, whenever you join a community that you want to learn something from, let's say football, then they have this feature which is called a map feature, and you can see where everyone is. So whenever I go to some place, just like Costa Rica, where I'm right now, I basically look at the people that are in Costa Rica from the community that I like. For myself, it is people that build school communities. I vibe with those people, and that's also my job. So that's all what I do. And then I just look at those people and just hit them up. I'm be like, "Yo, I see you're in Costa Rica. Any tips?" And then, depending on the reaction, I make friends with them and meet up. And it's such a cool thing because, like, traveling alone or with your girl, like, whatever you do, is amazing. But for me personally, I like going to those local places the most, right? Like getting the raw version of the country, like the real insights. Just like, for example, I'm from the Netherlands, and if someone comes to the Netherlands, like, yes, Amsterdam is great, right, the capital, but there's way more cool stuff. Like if you only went to Amsterdam, I don't think you have the full experience of what you can have in the Netherlands, right? Same as like with Bali, Costa Rica, Egypt, like whatever, Marrakesh, wherever you go, Morocco. So, with that being said, finding those people that are actually like already in the country for a longer time is such a cool thing because you can connect with them, you can vibe with them, it can give you some insights. It's amazing, and it makes you connected because let's say you both like football, it's super easy to say, hey, you want to like play a game together, or if you both like play guitar, like, hey, shall we like play together again. And it's a great, amazing way to make friends online. It's like the best way I've personally ever experienced and seen. And yeah, so that's basically how I do it, right? So if you want to do it yourself, what I would recommend, or like what I'm doing, you go to school.com, skool.com. You join a community that you like, or you create a community if you want to like make money online, like whatever you want. And then you look at the map feature, and you look at who is there in the country that you want to visit, and hit those people up. Be like, hey, I'm coming visiting. Do you have like any tips? And based on that conversation, you'll see how it flows. And that's how you start making friends online anywhere you want and live the best life that you can live. So if you like this video, awesome, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay limitless.